Hey, is this Whiteboard Finance? Hey Marko, what's going on, buddy? It's Mr. Money Mindset. You don't know who I am? That's okay. I just wanted to let you know a couple of things. One is that I am in fact a psychopath because I do need to have my coffee every single day.
You're a psychopath and you need to have coffee every single day.
The second thing is I just bought a Ferrari.
Dude, that's such a sick Ferrari, man. Can I take a picture? Nice, thank you so much. Sir, if you don't mind me asking, what do you do for a living?
Oh, it's simple. I just drank 20-cent coffee for 30 years.
Oh, you just made coffee at home? Nice, dude.
Hey folks, Harris here, and in this video, I'm going to share my thoughts on Marko Whiteboard Finance's recent video on why drinking 20-cent coffee doesn't build wealth. Because it can. Now, this isn't to bag on Marko by any means. In fact, I'm a huge fan of Marko, but here's my take on it. So building wealth is kind of like losing weight. If you've ever had to lose weight, you know it's pretty much simple math. Calories in, calories out. If you can burn more calories in a day than you consume, you end up losing weight. Similarly, if you can make more money than you spend, you can build wealth. And of course, I'm not taking into account investing just yet. But really, it's two components, right? It's making more money and it's spending less. So you're effectively playing both offense and defense. So now I'll get into where I agree and disagree with Marko's video. Here's where I agree. Marko is right. The act of drinking 20-cent coffee alone isn't life-changing. And just like clipping coupons, it's probably counterproductive, meaning it probably does more harm than good, because the amount of time and energy you put into saving $1, you could make 3 or 4-fold that just by channeling that energy into making more money rather than saving pennies. It's actually a very interesting subject that I go deep into in my book, which I don't have a plug for because I'm too lazy to write it, but subscribe to my channel so you'll know when that comes out. Please subscribe. Now here's where I disagree. It's not the act of drinking 20-cent coffee alone or making a burrito alone that's life-changing, but chances are if you do make your own coffee at home, you also do a lot of other things by yourself, such as cleaning your house or mowing your lawn or doing your dishes instead of outsourcing it, meaning you instill the value of saving money throughout all aspects of your life, where it's convenient, of course. Let's say you are the type of person to drink a $2 coffee outside every single day and you make about $50,000 a year. And now you suddenly get a new job making $80,000 a year. What do you think is going to happen? Well, you suddenly start opting for the $5 coffee or more premium brands, and suddenly everything in your life gets an upgrade. Why? Because you did not instill that 20-cent coffee mindset. You became a victim of lifestyle inflation or lifestyle creep, where you spend just as much money as you make. So the moment you get a raise at your job or the moment you land a better paying job, you spend proportionally more money, and thus you don't save, you don't create that surplus of savings, because the more you make, the more you spend. And so you never build wealth. Just like if you exercise more, but proportionally eat more, you're not going to lose weight. You can't outwork a bad diet, and similarly, you can't out-earn a lavish lifestyle. So the point of this whole video is that it's super important to first embrace that 20-cent coffee before you try and get to that 6 or 7-figure income. Otherwise, you're just gonna burn through it. At the end of the day, it's all about creating that extra surplus. It's about owning that 20-cent coffee mindset. And in no time, you too can have a Ferrari, just like this one.